Alright, so I just want to make sure I'm in this. And I'm just ready when you are.
I'm already filming.
Oh. Okay, so we are here at Andy Wood's house in Pella. We're going to do a repair with the Owens Corning Supreme Onyx Black we have right here. We're looking for repairability, any issues with that, and or matching concerns. Anything that would prevent us from being able to repair this roof legally. So I'm just going to go ahead and get started here. I'm going to unseal. Notice to keep my bar pretty flat. I'm not trying to lift it up. I'm holding it at an angle so that I can attack the seal of the shingle versus the actual integrity of the shingle. And we're gonna probably pull this one here. The shingles are coming loose. There is some mat transfer to be concerned about. Doesn't look to be too excessive. We already had a nail pull through the shingle. Wasn't able to. Shingle basically broke versus the nail coming out. Almost the same thing here. But we were able to get that one. That one. Yeah, the nails are not wanting to come out of the shingles. So we're getting these nail blowouts on all the shingles. So we've had 2 blowouts so far, so the likelihood that's going to continue is pretty high. I mean, as soon as I went to lift this shingle, I didn't even get to the nail and it's already pulling through. So it's starting to look like this repair is not really going to be possible. But we're going to keep trying anyway. See all this debris coming out from underneath these shingles as I do this. It's actually not granules, but just to kind of show what's actually going on with this roof. Again, these nails are being pretty difficult. Right through it. So we've got some trouble getting the nails out of the shingles. It's going to make it difficult to remove the shingle in general when the nails are still in it. But we'll do what we can. Again, they're all pulling through right now. So the shingles just cannot handle the force required to remove the nail at this point. We're having the shingles, or the nails blow through all of the shingles. Still doing it that way. Okay, so got our shingle out. You can see where these nails are just blowing through. I don't know if you can zoom in on this or not, but all these areas where the nails have blown through, that damage is also consequently on the shingles that haven't been removed on the roof because of the same nails. So if you flip it over, you can see the difference where the nails aren't coming through the shingles versus where they are. So by causing damage to the roof in this way, I would feel like it would be legally non-repairable. But we are going to go ahead and install our OS23 tab here.
It's not the same color.
I know. So it kind of looks like it fits. This gap just looks like it's from the way the shingle's designed. I wouldn't call it too short. Definitely not a color match. But I think with the damage the nails are already causing to the shingles, I think we're probably already looking at a lack of repairability. So I only want to lift the shingle as high as I need to get the nail and the hammer there. We'll drop some nails back in here. It's not flush. Looks like that one's starting to crease. The one next to it I think did as well. And again, you can see all the debris that we're leaving on this roof. Some of it's granules, some of it's dirt that's just blown up underneath the shingle, some of it's material transfer. So we've got, what, 5 nails back in the shingles. It's not going to go anywhere right now. See the phone, please. So again, all this material just laying on the roof where we've done the repair. If I rub the shingles above the repair, you're not going to see any granule loss here. Where I've had to manipulate these shingles, you see a lot more of that granule loss. Looks like some slight creasing on the top of the shingles. I wouldn't call it significant, but it is there. Between the material transfer and the damage from the nails being pulled out of this roof, I would not be calling this roof legally repairable. We will also send a couple photos. Thank you.